Okay, sewer camera from cleanout on the side of the house. This would be the north side, next to the tankless water heater. This is coming back towards the house. Pipe is ABS in certain parts. And this is coming back from the front of the house to underneath the house. A lot of buildup on the bottom of this pipe here. That's 60 feet out. A lot of buildup. Lots of buildup there. You see it just falling off the side. And then we're holding water here from all the buildup at 58 feet. 56 feet, still holding water. So that section there is flat. And if you look closer up here, you can't see it 100%, but there is a minor blockage there at 56 feet. Plumber recommends a hydrojet of the sewer line in the front yard to remove the roots, as well as the backyard. Somebody just used the toilet. There's running water. Water's flowing good. So there's plenty of flow in the pipe. Unfortunately, there's where the toilet comes in. Somebody's running water right now. But I would definitely recommend hydrojetting the line. Get rid of all this buildup in there. And remove the roots from the front yard, from the old clay piping. Once again, this is the end of the sewer inspection. Side yard, front gate, and rear yard back there. Clean up.